Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious banana bread without any eggs. We'll explore simple ingredient swaps that ensure your loaf is incredibly moist and full of flavor. You'll learn the secrets to a perfectly textured, tender crumb every time. Get ready to bake a fantastic treat that everyone will love, even without traditional binders. This guide will help you master eggless baking with confidence and ease. For our eggless banana bread, you'll need 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, which are crucial for sweetness and moisture. We'll use 1 teaspoon of baking soda combined with 1 tablespoon of vinegar to create the leavening power usually provided by eggs. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil or melted butter ensures a rich, tender crumb. Finally, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt complete our simple ingredient list. First, mash your 3 to 4 ripe bananas until smooth in a large bowl. In another bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now, gently combine the wet and dry mixtures, stirring just until no dry streaks remain. Overmixing can lead to a tough loaf. Pour into a greased loaf pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. For the best flavor, always use bananas that are very ripe, showing plenty of brown spots. Feel free to customize your loaf by adding 1 cup of chocolate chips, walnuts, or pecans to the batter. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let your banana bread cool completely before slicing. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.